Good day everyone. So welcome again sa ating math classroom with your teacher Dan. Okay? For today's video, pag-aaralan natin ay tungkol sa surface area of a cube. Okay? So surface area again, it is the total area of your faces of your solid figure, or in our given example, we're going to have the cube. Okay? So simulan natin. So, surface area, we're going to apply the formula. Surface area of a cube is equal to 6 times the area of your side, or side times side. That is our formula. Side times side, that is the area of one face. We have 6 faces sa ating cube. Dito makikita natin, meron tayong 6 faces. So, that is the surface area of a cube. So, napakadali, di ba? Simulan natin. So, una natin gagawin, we're going to find the area of one face. Example, we're going to find the area of this one. Yung ating may color, this one. So, this is 4 and another 4. So, we have side times side. So, if we have 4 times 4, the answer is 16 inches square. So, that is the area of this one. Kung ito ay 16, dahil ito ay cube, this one also is 16, this one is 16, this one is 16, ito din ay 16, pati ito ay 16. So, meron tayong 6 na 16. So, magiging surface area natin, so we have 16 times 6. So we have 6 times 6 is 36. Carry 3. 6 times 1, 6 plus 3. That is 9. So we have 96 inches square. So that is the surface area of our example number 1, or example number 1 cube. Okay? So, ganun lang. Napakadali ang how to find the area of a surface area of a cube. Let's have the second example. So, this one, the same formula. Surface area is equal to 6 times the area of one face. So, it's side times side. So, finding the area of one side, for example, this one. So, side times side, we have 6 times 6. So, the answer is 36 millimeter square. So, that is our area of one face. So, this is 36. This one also is 36. This one is 36. Ito din ay 36. 36 and 36. So, ibig sabihin niya ng ating surface area is 36 times 6 faces. So, we have 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Carry 3. 6 times 3, 18 plus 3. That is 21. So, ang ating surface area is 216 millimeter square. So, that is how we find the surface area of a cube. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.